Absolute honor to stand before such a distinguished gathering of leaders, change makers, and visionaries, all united by a shared commitment, a build together healthier, greener, and more peaceful world. This conference is not just an event, it is a movement, a powerful convergence of minds and ideas that can shape the future of South Asia and beyond. Today, as we gather under the theme Healthier World, Greener Tomorrow, we remind ourselves that peace is more than just the absence of conflict. It is the presence of good health, environmental sustainability, and community-driven progress. While we originally planned for two-day event, unforeseen circumstances led us to adopt and consolidate our discussion into a single impactful day, Sunday, March 23rd, 2025. Though condensed, the heart of our mission remains unchanged. In fact, it is stronger than ever, fueled by our collective resilience and unwavering dedication to peace, progress, and prosperity. Our core focus area, environmental sustainability, because a peaceful world must be an environmental conscious world. Public health awareness, because healthy communities build strong nations. Community-based solutions, because real change starts at the grassroots level. Regional cooperation, because together we are stronger. Integrating traditional and modern practices, because wisdom of the past can guide a brighter future. This conference is organized by Rotary International District 3192, led by District Governor Rotarian Mahadev Prasad NS. It is historic occasion as this is the first ever peace conference organized by a Rotary district. A dedicated core committee was formed to execute this conference with precision and vision. Their collective efforts have been instrumental in shaping this event into a meaningful platform for change. We extend our deepest gratitude to the entire organizing team for their relentless commitment and dedication. This conference would not be possible without the presence and support of our eminent leaders and dignitaries who lend their wisdom, leadership, and commitment to our cause. We are deeply grateful to our chief guest, C.N. Manjunath, Member of Parliament, Sri Muniratna, Member of Karnataka Legislative Assembly, expected at any moment, Rotarian Brian Rush, Rotary International President Representative, Flight Lieutenant Rotarian K.P. Nagesh, Rotary International Director-elect, is also expected at any moment, and Swami Sri Trinetra Mahananta Shivayogi Swamiji. Their presence here today amplifies and impacts our collective efforts. We also extend our sincere gratitude to our numerous NGOs whose unwavering support has helped bring this conference to life. Their dedication to social change, environmental sustainability, and public health initiatives has been instrumental in making this event a reality. Additionally, a heartfelt appreciation goes to the Rotaractors of RI District 3192, sponsors whose selfless volunteering efforts have ensured the seamless execution of this gathering. This energy, passion, and commitment truly embody the spirit of the service above self. We have successfully inaugurated the conference, setting the stage for a day filled with inspiring plenary sessions, cultural performance, and transformative discussions. Some key highlights include plenary session featuring thought leaders like Padma Shri Ricky Cage, Captain Avi Malik, Srimati Anita Deshpande, Professor Sarath W. Kotagamma, and more. Navottana Cultural Extravaganza showcasing the rich heritage of South Asia. Networking, lunch, and DA award ceremony celebrating outstanding contribution to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Valedictory program featuring our esteemed spiritual leaders and dignitaries including Sri Sri Trinetra Mahananta Shivayoga Swamigalu, musical concert by Maestro Diego Carnero, culminating in a grand cultural finale. This gathering is more than just a conference, it is a commitment to fostering cross-sector collaboration, accelerating sustainable development goals, and building a long-term framework for peace initiative across South Asia. Each conversation we have today, each new connection we make brings us one step closer to a more harmonious, sustainable, and inclusive world. As leaders, change makers, and global citizens, let us not just talk about change, let us be the change. Once again, I extend my deepest appreciation to all of you. Your presence here is testament to our shared vision and unwavering commitment to a healthier, greener, and more peaceful tomorrow. Let us engage, collaborate, and take meaningful steps towards a future that reflects the very best of what humanity can achieve. Thank you and welcome to SAPC 2025. ನಾವು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಜಗತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಹಸಿರು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಎಂಬ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಸೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.